Good morning, Manhattan. Morning, guys. How are we all doing today? I look like a pale ghost, so we know that winter is really kicking in. I know you guys love vlogs the most, so on my channel, so I thought, why not start off 2021 with a new vlog, just a few days in my life. If you're new here, I'm Rose. Thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you found my channel. Make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also follow me on Instagram at Rose Allegra to just see what I get up to every single day. I'm basically just a 24-year-old living in New York City, living life in my own apartment, working, and yeah, that's basically me in a nutshell. So I have work today. I started back up with work this week because I had like around like a week and a half off in between Christmas and New Year's. So back to work. It's definitely kind of a struggle to like get back into the swing of things, but it feels really good to like, you know, be productive again and just talk to my coworkers and just, you know, start the new year off on the right note. I made my coffee. You guys already saw, I showed you how I made this, but it really just gets me through the day. This is my view right now. Hey.
Hey, I'm working too.
Tom actually just graduated, my boyfriend. So proud of him. I'm gonna start helping him find a job really soon. Okay, so it's really crazy. All these birds perch right on top of the Marriott near my apartment, and usually right in the mornings they all start flying in a flock. They fly like here, they fly around, and then they keep flying, and I wanted to get it for you guys, but I think they're just chilling right now. But it is a beautiful day outside. Very nippy, but it's beautiful, and let's just have a good day. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys our couch dilemma that we've been dealing with since September 25th is when we ordered the couch, and it has just been taking so long. I obviously realized that coronavirus prolongs everything, like delivery, mail, literally everything. I get that. But we have been waiting for this couch for so long, and every single day we check it and not much has changed. It's in the distribution center. It has to go to the delivery center, then we can start scheduling. I wanted to give you guys like a little update on that, because that is seriously one of the biggest reasons of why I haven't been able to do like a furnished apartment tour. Obviously things are not furnished. I'm not gonna like show you guys everything, but they're not furnished. We have to still like decorate a ton, but we've just been waiting on this couch because we feel like the couch is like such a centerpiece of like the whole apartment. It makes up really the living room, and like we don't want to get the rug until we get the couch, and there's just so many things that are tied to it, and it's just really frustrating because, you know, whenever I want to relax, like I have to lay in bed. Like we just sit in these chairs like all the time, and it's just getting very tiring. So I'm just really praying. It says between January 10th and January 22nd, the order has gotten pushed back twice already, and I'm just praying like so badly that it will come soon, because I just want like a couch. Like I feel like then the apartment will feel whole and it will just be so nice. Got actually a really cool couch. So because we have this corner, as you guys know, that's exactly where we want to put the couch, like up against the wall. And then I'm gonna get some like really cozy pillows and like a throw blanket, like a really soft one, so I can be extra cozy on the couch. So it's a sectional from West Elm. It's like performance velvet is the type of material. I really wanted a velvet couch, so I'm really excited about it. And the color is like, it's called cornflower, but it's kind of like a dusty, like grayish blue. I just wanted a colored couch because I think that will give the apartment like some vibrance and like just color. We don't have a lot of color in the apartment so far. So I really am excited when it finally comes, but I just wanted to update you guys of like why I haven't been showing you the apartment as much, and like I've been wanting to do a furnished apartment tour for so long, but I just can't because this is like a huge part of it. So just wanted to let y'all know. Guys, look, now there's a ton more perched. They're all chilling. Squad deep, pigeon squad deep. Oh my god, there's literally so many. It's like crazy. I just want to get them flying. Like, you guys, it's so magical when they do it. I will get it for you guys though, I will. I'm on a little break right now. It's so beautiful outside. I wanted to share with you guys, I just think it's so funny. I'm like business on top, like kind of. And then we got some PJ pants, and my sister actually got me some new slippers to wear around the house for Christmas, which I love. So thank you, Dan. Just gonna try to enjoy the free relaxing time while I have it and get back to work. Okay guys, I'm on the way to get my NuvaRing birth control. I always do it so last minute, and I always tell myself that the next month I'm not gonna do it last minute, and then I do it last minute again. So Tom is here with me for moral support.
You say that.
And this guy is wearing shorts.
Okay.
For no reason.
I'm cold.
Yeah, you're stupid.
She forced me out with it.
Yeah, good one.
You did.
This is my dinner tonight. Just, you know, a little omelet with some toast because I'm treating myself. You guys probably think I'm like egg girl because I always eat omelets in all my videos, but it's just a super quick, easy meal. We are watching the new season of Shark Tank. We love Shark Tank, so let's go. I just showered. My hair is not wet because I am not washing it tonight. I'm trying to be way better about not washing it every single day. I know that's bad for your hair, so I've been really trying to stick with the program, and I didn't wash it today, so I had a really quick shower, but I feel super clean. My nose looks squeaky clean. I was so naughty today, and I really was craving something, and I caved. And I can't wait to show you guys what we are having for dessert. It is so fucking bomb. So amazing. If you've never had it, you are truly missing out. It is so filling, but so delicious. Usually after I get out of the shower, I just go through some emails to try to be up to date with work stuff before I go to bed, because lots of emails come in throughout the night. So I'm gonna go through some emails, chill out, watch my show for a little, and then I'm going to dive into this amazing dessert, and I can't wait to show you guys, so. Mom and I were extra naughty and we got Levain Bakery, which is super fire. And the trick is honestly to heat them up in the microwave for like 15 to 20 seconds, and it comes out so hot and then gooey in the middle. These cookies are super heavy. They feel like 5 pounds each, but they are so delish. Morning, guys. It's another beautiful morning, but look, the birds. There they are. so cute that they fly all together in this little formation. It's like one of the things I always look forward to in the morning, watching them fly. Just one look at you. Yeah, get it! This is the reality of work from home, my work from home fit. Hey! It's another work day. I am finally on the AirPods game trend. I am in the AirPods community. I literally, for so long, I was using the wires and everyone at my company had AirPods and I looked like a loser, but I actually have the pros and the regular ones. So I use these for my work laptop and the pros for my other laptop. But I just feel very in the know now after saying goodbye to these babies. So feeling cool. Back to work. Hey guys, so work has been very eventful today. I learned a lot of new things, which was honestly really fun and interesting, and kind of made the work day a little different than most. So I'm really happy about that, and just like expanding my capabilities and responsibilities, like everything is really exciting. Today is a very good day. The sun is setting now. And I'm just going to finish up work and I will catch you guys when I am all done. Tonight we're having burgers. This looks flames, made by my baby. Yummy! Thanks, babe. I'm making coffee for tomorrow morning because I just realized that we're out and that is literally the worst, especially when you're a big fan of iced. So making more coffee for me and Bae, so we have some coffee in the morning. We get the Whole Foods French roast and it is so fire. It is like closer to the darker side, but it's really good and I highly suggest it. This is literally one of the best things that Tom's mom ever gave us. Thank you, Mr. Coffee, for just making my coffee journey so much easier. Like honestly, my life is so much easier with you in it. Morning, guys. I woke up really tired today, so I'm just trying to get through today so I can enjoy the weekend. Hopefully today is a good, easy, smooth work day, and yeah, I'm just excited to sleep in, relax, do all that jazz. Work was very long and tiring as I expected, and I'm just really glad that it's the weekend. Tom and I are gonna have dinner. He's making chicken cutlets, which are so amazing. So I'm really excited for that. And yeah, just gonna have a really chill Friday. I know this is random, but one thing I really do love about our apartment are these heaters / AC units, because we can control when we want to turn on the heat, when we don't. I'm super cold right now, so I have the heat on, but like it's just so nice being able to turn it on when we want, turn it off. Morning, guys. So I want to go to the gym this morning in my building, so what I have to do is make a reservation. They only let you go on even hours, so they can clean on odd hours. So I'm gonna go at 12. Today is Saturday. We usually go to the store on Sundays, but today we're gonna go today. And so we have been we've found this very effective to come up with a list of, I mean, Tom's writing is really unreadable, but we come up with a list of every meal we're gonna eat throughout the week, and it just really helps us like stick to the meals and not like just buy random things.
One side of the piece of paper we plan our meals out for the week, and then the other we get the ingredients for the week that we'll need.
And some other miscellaneous things that we need.
And I categorize it by, you know, vegetables, protein, miscellaneous, dairy, carbs. And so we know exactly what to get or whether we need it.
So yeah, we're just making the list, then I'm gonna go to the gym, and then we're gonna go shopping together. So super fun. This is my apartment gym. It's not the biggest, but I really love it. It has everything I need. So I am just going to do 12-3-30 on the treadmill and do some arms and be good to go. This is the gym view. It's honestly so nice. And I think I have it all to myself, so that's amazing. I'm back from my workout. I had a really good workout. I feel really good, but I think I'm gonna close off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and follow me on IG, and I will catch you guys in my next video.